What exactly is a rooftop geocode lookup? In order to answer that, let's talk about what a geocode address is. A geocode, or geocode address, is the latitude and longitude coordinates of a specified location on the planet, in our case Earth. Let's take the Empire State Building, for example. The address is 20 West 34th Street, New York, 10118, and the geocode is latitude 40.74861 and longitude minus 73.9852. It may sound intimidating, but it's easy to find using a free geocoding tool. The Empire State Building is an example of a geocode that lands at the street front. If we were to look at the White House, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, Northwest Washington, D.C., 20500, and its geocode, latitude 38.897606 and longitude minus 77.036674, whew, that was a mouthful. The pin lands right on the roof of the building, which is called a rooftop geocode. Geocoding an address is crazy useful if you're trying to identify the exact location of a building, or a business or an apartment inside of a larger building. Geocoding is also spantatistic for navigation, routing, spatial analysis, and insurance risk analytics. Did that answer your questions about rooftop geocode lookups? Don't hesitate to throw any additional questions you have about geocoding in the comments section. Sayonara, sailor.